In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Chrome performance. If Chrome has been feeling slow, laggy, or heavier than usual, a few simple adjustments can make a noticeable difference. We're going to walk through several built-in settings and cleanup steps that can help Chrome use fewer resources and run more smoothly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, head into Settings and look for the Performance section. In that menu, turn on Memory Saver. This feature helps Chrome free up memory from tabs you're not actively using, which can improve speed and responsiveness, especially if you tend to keep multiple tabs open throughout the day. While you're still in the performance area, or in some versions, the system menu, make sure preload pages or extended preloading is turned on. This allows Chrome to load certain pages more intelligently in advance, which can make websites feel faster when you click through to them. It's a small setting, but it can improve the overall browsing experience. Next, check your extensions. Type Chrome/extensions into the address bar and review what's installed. Extensions can be useful, but too many of them can quietly consume memory and slow Chrome down in the background. Disable or remove the ones you rarely use. Keeping only the essentials is one of the easiest ways to reduce overhead. Another common cause of poor performance is having too many tabs open at once. Every tab uses system resources even when you're not actively looking at it. Close tabs you no longer need, or group them if you want to stay organized without letting your browser get out of control. This helps both performance and focus. After that, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browsing data can build up and sometimes affect how smoothly websites load or behave. Clearing it can help Chrome feel cleaner and more responsive. Just keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, so be prepared to log back in where needed. Now go to Chrome Settings, then System, and make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on. This lets Chrome use your computer's hardware to handle certain visual tasks more efficiently, which can improve performance during video playback, animations, and general browsing. Finally, make sure Chrome is fully up to date. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Running the latest version is important because updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better stability. Once you've gone through these settings, Chrome should feel lighter, faster, and easier to use.